What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. If you just got a brand new Galaxy S26 Ultra, you may be looking for a good premium case. And in today's video, I will be showcasing cases from Benks. Benks has sent over 3 cases for us here. You can see these are beautiful looking cases for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's go ahead and unbox them and check them out. And the buying links are in the description. After watching this video, if you're interested, you can go ahead and buy these cases. Now let me just keep the phone aside here. We've got 3 cases here. One is Armored Tint. The second one is named as Aurora. Third one is Montage. Now all 3 are built with DuPont Kevlar material, which is a lightweight yet very strong material to protect your premium phones. Now just look at these boxes, they look quite premium, isn't it? Let's go ahead and first unbox this one here, Armored Tint. The packaging is very nice, all the features are mentioned right here. It says built with DuPont Kevlar, protection in its most refined form. Each thread is crafted to protect and endure with pure simplicity. Superior material, lightweight and durable, scratch resistant as well. And on the other side of the case, you can also see it's mentioned as magnetic compatible. So all your magnetic accessories can be attached on the back of the case. We've got smooth touch, lens protection, and elegant design. Now let's go ahead and unbox this. It's pretty simple. Just pull this and we have the case right over here. And this tag is something which is really cool. Every case that I see from Benks is attached with this particular tag. It looks very nice. Now let me pull this out. This is a case which has got the opening towards the buttons here, and at the bottom also you can see these openings here. It's a very thin case, it feels really nice, and you can also feel the texture over here. Now let me just take off this tag here. Let's snap this onto the phone. That's it. Look at that. Looks beautiful, isn't it? It fits really well. Every corner you can see it fits well, and there is a slightly raised corners here you can see. Not sure if you're able to see this. This corner is slightly raised to protect the display if at all you're keeping the phone upside down like this. And even the camera bump, you can see it's raised a bit to protect the camera lenses here. And this material looks premium, and we have got that Benks branding right over here. Now let me show you the bottom part here. You can see this is how it is covered. The best part here is to take the S Pen out. It's very easy. This entire part is not covered over here. If it is completely covered, it becomes a little difficult. Now they have kept this area open here so that we can easily remove the S Pen without any issues there. And the speaker grill is open here. On this side, there is nothing, no buttons, so there is nothing there. And here we have got these buttons exposed. Because this is a thin fit case, these buttons are generally exposed on these kind of cases. But yeah, it does keep the form factor alive. The phone feels really thin and light, and this is a slightly bluish case that we have. It looks pretty nice. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the next one here. Let's unbox Montage. There it is. This is completely covered on all sides, including the buttons here. You can see. Let me take this branding out. Let me show you this. This has got this very cool texture, and this design also looks pretty nice. You've got slightly bigger texture here and smaller texture here. These textures are of different sizes, and it is completely covered towards the button and at the bottom as well. And we have got a bigger hole for the S Pen here. And yeah, you can also notice the attachment ring here, the magnetic ring here. This is available on all the cases. You can attach the magnetic accessories very easily. Now let me go ahead and put this on. There it is. Now this should wobble less because this portion is also at a slightly higher level. You can see. Let me show you this. Only this camera protector is protruding out, and this area is slightly raised. So the wobble should be less compared to the other case here. Yes, it is slightly less. Now you can see it's the same branding that we have, Benks, and it's in the silver color. All sides are covered, and here it's a bigger hole for the S Pen, and it's very easy to take the S Pen out. As simple as that. So this is the second case that we are looking at, Montage Art. Definitely feels very good. Now let's go ahead and check out the third one here. This is Aurora phone case. Let me open this. Look at that. Again, this is a thin fit case. It has got the same texture here, and we have got these color elements. These are the color stripes that we have, greenish, orange, and some light colored stripes here. And we also have these black stripes here. Let's take this out, and here you go. Let me put this on. Look at that. I just love these cases. They keep the phone's form factor alive, and I feel as if, there is no case on the phone. It is so thin and lightweight, and yet it will protect the phone very well. The protection is not as good as these cases because these covers the entire buttons here. If you're someone who want all-round protection, then you will have to go for something like this. This is Montage Art. But if you're looking for a thin fit cases, then these are the cases you should be looking at. Now this also looks pretty nice. You can see the texture here. Similar camera cover with Benks logo there, and it looks just beautiful. If you ask me, I would be using probably the Montage case. This is something which I love. Even though it is slightly bulkier than this, it does give me all-round protection, and actually I like the texture of this particular case. If you want to buy one of these, you can go ahead. The link is in the description. All three cases are beautiful. Pick the one that you want and share your thoughts in the comment section. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, the giveaway of one of these cases will be happening very soon. I will be giving away 1 or 2 cases maybe in the future videos. So keep watching all my videos. If you have bought the latest Galaxy S26 Ultra, you could be one of the lucky winners to get a case from Benks. So stay tuned for my future videos. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button if you find this video informative. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.